Hello engineers, we're back with another exciting project. We work hard on every build, and we hope you'll love this one too. The box has arrived. Let's see what's inside. 3 different PCBs. Now the real challenge begins. From these boards, we're going to pick one, figuring out which one has the most potential, and turn it into something awesome. The comments have already decided the mission. Now, let's build it. We're using a cutter to carefully free the PCB and take it out. Looks like there are multiple PCBs inside, nothing high-end, just basic parts for testing. But for our work, this setup is still good enough to move forward. We're building an MP3 module circuit in this project. Simple setup, but powerful enough to bring music to life. Now quickly, we secure everything using a helping hand tool. Now it's properly secured and holding firm. Next step is ready to move ahead. We place the components you can see on the screen. Take a screenshot if needed. After that, we start installing them onto the circuit board step by step. Let's bring this MP3 project to life. You all probably already know the names of these components. If you notice any new part, make sure to share what you know in the comments. Let's learn and grow together. Looking for a custom PCB design for your project? We've got you covered. Our expert team creates professional PCB circuits tailored to your exact needs, whether it's for automation, robotics, IoT, or any electronic device. Just visit our website and connect directly with our engineers. They'll guide you through the complete process, help you choose the right design, and answer all your questions clearly. From idea to final PCB layout, we make everything simple, reliable, and efficient. So if you want a high-quality PCB design with expert support, contact us today and turn your idea into reality. Most of the components are already placed on the PCB. Only a few are left. We're almost done with this stage of the build. A heat sink is very important here as it reduces the load on the IC by controlling heat. It improves performance, prevents overheating, and increases the life of the circuit. Always use a good quality heatsink for better efficiency. Components are placed on the PCB. Now it's time for soldering and final assembly. Now it's time for soldering, the real foundation of the circuit. We carefully lock every component onto the PCB with strong, clean joints. A perfect solder means better performance and long-lasting reliability. This is where the project truly starts coming alive. Now the main PCB soldering is done, and we move to the final setup. Next, we carefully attach the jack and aux cable using a soldering iron for a solid connection. Now we're connecting the speaker for final output. We connect the speaker wires so the audio output can work properly. Then we solder the battery wires to power up the whole circuit safely. With all these connections completed, the setup is now fully assembled. Everything is locked, wired, and ready to run. Now the final step begins, testing the complete system to see it in action. For testing, we connect the aux cable to a cell phone. You can also use Bluetooth module, better connectivity, adjust the potentiometer, and turn on the music. Now let's check the circuit in action. Can you hear that? This sound hits different. Deep bass, crystal clear vocals, and every beat feels alive. No distortion, no noise, just pure, powerful audio. Once you play it, you won't want to stop listening. If you want to know anything about these projects, drop a comment below. Maybe your idea will be featured in the next build. Until then, goodbye, engineers.